Hello everyone and welcome back to a new episode here on North Meet South by Satish and Stuti, and welcome to Exploring Kerala Motorcycle Diaries, and we are on our motorcycle Royal Enfield 350, and the bullet also says peep peep. Yes, the bullet also says hello to all our lovely viewers. We are in Kamuncherry, am I right? Yeah. It's a pleasant evening. Thankfully we didn't have much rains today. Oh, that's a nice way of collecting all the coconuts. They put one dish kind of thing on top of the coconut branch. So there are ups and there are downs as well. And once again a big field full of rubber trees. Oopsie doopsie. So we are driving alongside the river. River is onto our right hand side, but due to the dense forest, so many trees and greenery, I'm not able to spot it. But in the Google map it says yes, we are driving on the road which is going parallel to the river. Maybe further we might get some bridge or something, Ani?
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe we might get, I don't know.
I forgot all that.
And here this side is rubber plantation, and onto our left is banana plantation. So there's a dairy, it seems, lots of milk container boxes. See, one time we were up, one time down, again we are driving up. And lovely greenery till the roadside, till where the concrete road is there, tar road is there. Some small shops for the localites to get. Here another road goes up. And this auto is, I think uncle is carrying all this green grass for his goat or cow probably. And there's a small, it's locked, don't know whether it's functioning or not, but it looks cute amidst all the greenery. What happened to this water? Okay, it's an LP school.
How do you know LP school?
Size wise,
Yeah.
see, GUPS, Upper Primary School, GUPS, Kamuncherry. And what is this? A hospital or what? I don't know.
Which one?
Down this one.
That's a school.
Oh, that's also a school. Good. And we reach to,
Right from here, left from here.
from left here we go to Punalur. Okay. You mean this road? Oh, that's a nice road. This road will take you friends to Punalur, and we are going this place down. Oh, finally I found one bridge, so there's a river over there. Same Kallada river?
Yeah.
Oh, lala. This Kallada river, I think, is the biggest river or what? In Kollam. At least in Kollam district, I think. Yo, 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 yo. Oh, it's really broad here. Almost like that Pedabur ka bridge.
Same river.
Yeah, same river. The width I'm talking about. It's almost that much. And here we have a speed breaker. First time seeing a speed breaker which has been colored into blue and white, honey.
I didn't notice.
And some tiled road also waits for us. Yay! Maybe pet or someone, he is having the leash on him. Maybe ran away.
Seriously?
Maybe because he has got a nice leash on him. The other, the beautiful coconut trees. How cute it looks. And at the backyard, the banana plantation. Okay, now we have joined to a big road. It's a junction. Yes, we got it right. And there are vehicles coming from both the sides. All clear. Okay, we go. So that brother told us the right route. It's a big junction. Now let me see if I can. Yes, it is still Chittucheri Kamunjeri. Yeah, it is still there. Some with C, some name was there. Wherever in the board I will read. When it is written in English, I can read and find out which place
Good road.
we are traveling. And it is a beautiful wide road, very smooth road. You'll enjoy the ride over here, drive over here. And look at the greenery, guys. And on top you can see the, as usual, my favorite, rubber trees. I'm going to bug you guys with the rubber trees or what? Don't worry. And lots of coconut trees. Look at that. See, till the edge you have the greenery. Look at the turning. Zoom, zoom. And look at this. How beautiful it is looking. Just delivered. The car in front of us is just delivered. That means it's a newly. But then they have the number plate on it.
Probably we have removed that.
Uh-huh.
Ever since we got that.
Uh-huh.
Just delivered 1 year back.
That's a comical thing.
How hard?
Oh my God! Look at that marshy, swampy thing in which the truck went, and the truck was up over there for loading the log of woods. See, they were cutting down the trees over here. Actually, these rubber trees have a life, friends. After certain years, when no more sap comes out of it, I've learned it. And then after that, when the sap is no more coming from the tree, then they give it for slaughtering. As much as still you can extract. Look at the curve. And then they will finally cut it off. And then what is this tree wood useful for furniture making, Ani?
No, they will make
No.
some processing wood, no?
Uh-huh.
Like,
Plywood and all that something?
yeah.
Okay, so directly the rubber trees wood is not used for making furniture directly, but compressed wood and some kind of plywood.
I know that this all wood is going to.
LP, right?
No, not RFP.
Very smooth road, curvious. So even if you come in your car, you'll enjoy driving over here. Zook zook, one to the right, one to the left. Oh, that was great ride. Now we are again joining to another big junction. Well, where do we go? You have right and you have left. Okay, buddy. So, lots of traffic on this road. Lots and lots of traffic.
Patnapuram Kollam Road.
This is Patnapuram Kollam Road. Okay. Well, this road is also quite smooth and curvious.
That wood is going to Perambavoor.
Okay, the wood is going to Perambavoor. Okay.
I think they'll do so much
Timber,
processing over there. Yeah.
timber auction. Okay. And from there, probably the merchants will buy for making the furniture, isn't it? And for various other purpose. Okay, good. Nice dry road and clean, smooth road. Good. But some blind turns also.
Very blind.
See?
Totally blind. Totally blind.
Totally blind, yes. So if I make you to talk, will it be difficult for you? We are going another diversion, okay? There's water down? Yes, of course.
Cashew factory.
There's a cashew nut factory, wow. This one to my... Yeah, Thrissur. No, it's a tiles factory. Thrissur Tiles Factory. Means the roofing wala tiles, huh?
Maybe.
Okay, good. A building unique on its own, completely, made of bricks alone. There's no cementing done. Well, we were climbing up, so we climbed up a little bit in speed. Well, I'm coming here for the very first time. Is this still Kamunjeri? What is this? It's a school or what? Construction is happening, extension is happening. Indira Gandhi Vocational. Oh, I couldn't read the full thing.
This is called Manjakal.
Manjakala. Manja is yellow color and Kala is black color. Well, that is my funny way of, breaking down the word. Please don't get offended, friends, those who are watching from here or belong to this place. It was only for fun. Please don't get offended. This place is Manjakala, where we are driving. Wow. Look at that, friends. Great.
This is motovlog, guys.
This is motovlog, yes. Whoa. What's up in front for us? But they will move. They are very cooperative, right? They won't get... We give a caution and we go. See, morning when you do the vlogging, you have a different taste to your, different touch to your videos, because the calmness, the glimpses of the sunshine, everything is different. It's different in the dawn and it's different at the dusk, plus the lifestyle of people. Plus the lifestyle. So there's a big church over here, Marthama Church, Manjakala. Wow, it's a nice big church. And now again we are climbing up. You can see the road, friends. Hey, this is cool, yeah? They have put this highlighter reflectors. So we're gonna capture this reflector. Whoa! That was cool. See, another Royal Enfield. In this short distance, as much as we have covered, so many Royal Enfields. Now we are again on another junction. Can you please help me with this name? What?
Parangini
Bapre, I can't even let me read it out. Parangini Mukkal. We are going towards?
It was my usual way of going.
Yeah, going to this road. Yeah, now I remember. With this place I remember. Yeah, that's a nice, beautiful building. One time we both got stranded over here. It was pouring out. So just opposite to this church we were sitting.
Right?
Yeah, in the bike, yes.
This bike or?
No, our previous bike. The youngsters, did you saw that? Seeing the camera in my hand, the youngsters, those who were walking up, three young boys, they just showed me this symbol. So they know we are doing vlogging. Cool guys.
They are more aware about.
They are more aware. Youngsters are more aware. Oh my god, look at that tapioca plantation. So cute it is looking, right? Awesome. Well, this road also is smooth, Ani. Good smooth road.
The problem is like very fast.
So many vehicles, yeah. No speed breakers, and it's lots of having curves in it. Okay, what is that? Matha Junction. So when it is written in English, it's easy for me to read. Good. Lots of coconuts are being sold off. Look at that. Very slender trees, rubber trees. I think it belongs to these people, those who are living here. That's so nice. They can just go and have a look on their farm. Very good. Very good. Acres and acres of land where they are growing rubber trees. Very nice.
Small children are very much curious. Correct?
Eh?
Small children are very much curious.
Yeah. Toyota Glanza. Bellino. Oh, this is great. Literally, it will refresh you. You see the greenery on all the side. Wherever you look up, there is greenery. Everywhere.
Today actually no sun.
Today there's no sun, yeah. Afternoon it was drizzling. Yeah, I'm okay. And Satish, your favorite KSRTC bus. Suddenly lots of traffic over here. Why?
Because of that dust.
Because of the bus? Okay. Look at the 2 to 3.
Water came this month.
Seriously? Babre. They call it over here Velampoki. Velampoki. There's some wedding or something happening. Lots of colorful lights over here. Great.
Water was actually on
This is Pazanukavadi Bridge. Can we pull over? There's not much water, but we can just show our friends.
Came up to there.
Oh, lala. Yes, I will be. So friends, lots of water. Now this is a river or not? This is a brook. Oh, again I get confused, and when the flood waters comes, it will just go. You can see over there. You can see how many places up till what stretch.
They actually tied this shop, no?
Huh.
So that the water comes, so they want to cut this other.
See, till there the water is there. Yeah.
And then when the water comes, no,
Uh-huh.
they want this shop to go out.
Yeah, correct. See, very good observation. They have tied up with the rope, right? And there, this rope is being, fixed on this pole over here, this little iron thing. So, when the water gushes, they don't want this small
This place were underwater.
shop to get spoiled. They don't want it to be washed away. It's a small thela. Hindi we say it as thela, right? So, they have done a very good work. Oh, great. And it's a small tea shop. I can see some disposable cups over here. Lots of log of wood. And guys, look at this. Look at the water logging. I could see till far also. So quite dangerous. The brook also can be very dangerous, isn't it? It's not just the river, even the brook can be very dangerous.
Yeah. And actually this water is coming from the river.
Okay.
The water came up till there.
Yeah. Till that last log of wood.
Yeah, I'll show you the.
Oh my god. So we'll come and check. Friends, till where did the water went? Chalo, we'll go. See, you can see the havoc it created. Baapre. It created a kind of pit. Look at this, friends. Look at that water. See. Look at that water. This all was underwater. That means this little small house also. Yes, of course. And look at this.
From the home, no? You can see the level.
See that. See the water. So fear for all the residents. There also lots of trees are there, and most of the trees are still, partially submerged in water. Some wedding. Whoa. Now this is all palm trees, Ani.
Palm trees?
Yeah, all palm trees, see? Wow. Organic agro farming and trading. Bright organic agro farming and trading. Oh, good.
Block panchayat.
It's a block panchayat. Okay. So many wedding is happening, right? But what to do? All the fun of Indian weddings has just been washed away due to this COVID, no? Otherwise, 1,500 families will be called, and it is so much of fun.
1,500 families will be called and 2,000 families will be attending.
Yeah, that's perfectly right. Can you say it again?
No, you say that.
Satish cracked a joke just now. He said 1,500 families or people will be called, and 2,500 or 3,000 people will be attending the thing. And the grooms and the bride's side, both the side, the parents will be in full tension, although they will be smiling outwardly, but back in their heart, they will be worried. More than expected people are being called, and what will be the case? The food should not fall short, isn't it?
Most of the people come for the food.
Yeah, most of the people come for food, they hog. They don't eat, they hog. Many people.
For the street,
Very sad it is. Dish up only what you need, no? Any problem out over here, boy? Doesn't seems to be, right? Just passes by. So friends, we are on the Pidavur Jio ka SIM. They are selling it off.
End the video. How many minutes left? 37 enough.
Don't want to go down?
No. Today's vlog was motor vlog, right?
Yes.
So it's our first time attempt.
Yeah.
to just find out, you know, how it's gonna be in Andor.
Uh-huh.
So I've seen many English channels doing the same.
Uh-huh.
So let's see our viewers are accepting this kind of vlog.
Uh-huh.
It's a motor vlog, just going around the places.
Yeah.
That's a normal drive. Yeah,
Showing the places.
showing the places. As we are seeing it and we are enjoying it and showing it, there is no specific, you know, that.
Point to point drive.
Yeah, just having a drive.
Huh.
I hope you guys like this video.
Yeah.
If you like it, please share this video with your friends.
Yeah.
And if you are from this place,
Yeah.
please comment it. Yeah, comment.
We'll be glad to know how many of our friends who are living near to our homes or places are watching us. We'll be very glad to know that.
Correct.
So friends, please do remember to like, share and subscribe our video. Catch you in the next video tomorrow at 12 p.m. Till then, take care. God bless. Bye-bye.